Hi there, today I will show you how to find the equation of a normal. To find the equation of a normal, first of all I need to find the value of y. So we have y equals tan of pi by 4 plus 2 cos 2 times pi by 4. So y equals tan of pi by 4 is just 1. The 2 cos 2 of pi by 4, cos of pi by 2 is 0. So multiply 2 by 0 is 0. So the point, it will be pi by 4, 1. So that's just x and y. The equation of a normal is being given by y equals mx plus c. To find the gradient, I need to differentiate the function. So dy by dx is equal, differentiating tan is just secant square. Differentiating cos 2x is minus 2 sine 2x. Multiplied by 2, it's minus 4 sine 2x. To find the value of m, I substitute the x into the general gradient. So m equals secant square is 1 over cos square minus 4 sine 2x. So m is equal 1 over cos of pi by 4, it's root 2 over 2. So that will be root 2 over 2 square minus 4 times sine of 2 times pi by 4. That gradient is equal to 1 over 2 over 4 minus 4 times sine of pi by 2 is 1. So that's just multiply by 1. And that's just equal, the inverse of 2 over 4 is just 2. Minus 4, so the gradient is just minus 2. We need to watch because this gradient is the gradient of a tangent, and we have been asked to find the gradient of the normal. So therefore, I am inversing it. So the gradient of normal, it will be m equals a half. So my equation now becomes y equals half x plus c. Substituting the x and the y value to find the value of c, 1 is equal to half multiplied by pi by 4 plus c. 1 equals pi by 8 plus c. So therefore c equals 1 minus pi by 8. So the final equation of the normal is y equals half x plus 1 minus pi by 8, as requested. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel for more quality videos from Aryan.